Good day everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this, on the statistics on my channel, I see that 97.8% of you guys that watch my channel and watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So I would ask each and every one of you to consider subscribing if this is the type of content you like. And that makes it able for me to create more content and things that you guys will enjoy and recommend. So let's get into this, what this video is about. This video is about a simple wheel speed sensor. And why would a person replace this or consider even replacing it, and what faults might occur? So the reason I decided to replace these, I'm replacing both sides, although only my left side is faulty, is due to the fact that since I bought the car, I cannot engage my traction control and I do not have my ABS kicking in. So after I took my diagnostics tool and I actually did a diagnostics on my car, I found that it gave me the error code for my left side wheel speed sensor. So I'm going to replace both of them. I'm going to take you guys step by step through this process, and this is an extremely easy one to do. Alright, so if you actually want to do this, you can just turn your wheel and you can gain access to it from the front. Or you can turn it in the opposite direction and have access from the rear. There you can see, you'll press that in and you'll pull it apart. There you go. And then there's a little bracket, a retainer, Okay, so I want to show you guys why this one goes on the opposite side. So the one I took out, if you look, they're both facing the same direction, but the pattern is in the opposite direction. If you understand what I mean with the casting lines, if you turn them facing up so that they both face up, the locking pattern or the mechanism that locks them is in different positions. So this one is for the opposite side, and yeah, you can see what I mean. These ones are the same. So if you have a look inside, you'll see there's guides, so it can only fit in one way.